Hello everybody, welcome to this video on Fiverr referral program. You get paid $100 by referring someone to Fiverr, and when that person buys something, you get the $100. How cool is it? Let's check it out. So after creating your account, you just go here, you see they say refer and get $100. That's cool money. When you invite a friend, you can put an email here and then you send to the friend, or you can copy the link here and then you post on Facebook. How cool is that? You just get your cool $100. Check it out. They say invite friends and you both get up to $100. How cool is that, man? That's wonderful. So man, don't forget to check it out, my friend, because last time I just invited someone and the person bought something and I make $100. So that's why I'm sharing this video, right? And I'm not yet cashing money, and I'll make a video on that. So don't forget to check it out. Love and share this video, and until then, man, see you guys. Stay safe and make sure you subscribe to the channel.